Hello, welcome to PFI or PFP 3301. This is a brief online instructional tutorial for using Blackboard. When you first log into Blackboard, on the left-hand side you'll see a red menu options. This menu bar will take you to any of the areas content that's available to you. This first area is called the home screen. On the home screen, you'll see your welcome videos like the one you're watching here, your exams folder, your online classroom, course content, and extra credit opportunities. So on this home page, if you want to launch anything, just click on those particular links. If you click on the exams folder, this is going to be where the exams are housed. All of our exams in 3301 are done online, so this is the area you'll come to take it. Make sure you check with your particular course for the dates of your exams. If you want to go back to the home screen, hit home, and here we are. The next area I want to point out is the online classroom. The online classroom is a forum that treats the course just like if you were face-to-face. This is your opportunity to ask general questions about the course, so feel free to post any questions you might have. Your instructor is going to check this every day, so make sure you get with them to figure out what time of the day they're going to be checking this and when you expect a response. If you hit OK, it'll take you to the discussion board forum, which is where the online classroom is held. Also in the discussion board forum are going to be the unit discussion boards, and each unit you're going to have some kind of topic to discuss. And usually that topic relates to whatever you're covering in the course. Many times these discussion board questions or the discussion forums are extra credit opportunities, so make sure you check that and check with your course and take advantage of those. And go back to the home screen, and speaking of extra credit, this last folder down here is going to be your extra credit opportunities. If you click on that, it's going to show what extra credit opportunities are available. So currently in this course it's only Unit 0 task, and it's worth 5 points, and then the dates that it opens and when they're due. And then always check this folder, because this is your opportunity to make up for any points you might miss or to ensure your grade. Basically do extra credit even though you don't need it, so in case something happens or you just don't feel like doing something later on in the course, if you got plenty of points banked, then maybe you can take advantage of those. It's kind of like insurance. The last folder here I want to talk about on the main home screen is the course content folder. This is the same as this link here. If you click on that, that's going to open up the list of units that we're covering in the class, and depending on where you are, you'll access that unit there. Also on the left side here is grades. If you click on this, this is going to take you to your grades. If you have a grade on a quiz, you can actually click on this spot right here, and that's going to open up your quiz results. So you can look at your quiz or your participation questions, see how you did, and see what questions you missed. That's an option available to you. Now keep in mind on the exams, those questions aren't released because there's some research behind that. But if you do have questions about your exam grade, you can always come to the online, just Skype in the office hours, or you can come see us in the office and we can talk about your exam that way. And speaking of contacting us, how do you contact your instructor? Well, it's very simple. There's a contact instructor link right here. You click that, and always important, make sure you start your emails here. Always send your email through Blackboard. So you click that, you click it to all instructors. This is going to send it to me and to anybody else who needs to see your email. The other thing that it does is it goes through our filter system in our email system. And what happens is it filters your email to our course inbox. That's important because if it's like me, I've got thousands of emails in my inbox. And for some reason, my email filter likes to send student emails to the junk pile, to the junk folder. I don't know why it does that, it just does. Maybe it thinks TTU email addresses are junk. I don't know. I don't think so, but the big thing is I want you to be able to get a hold of me via email. So make sure you send it through Blackboard. And what that does is it puts it into my email folder for the course. I check that all the time. I even have my phone and my iPad set up to get those emails. So if you don't hear back from me within 24 hours, that means more than likely you sent me an email outside of Blackboard and it got sent to the big giant vat of emails. So again, send all emails through Blackboard. Very important. Also under Contact Instructor is this area for Skype. As a Texas Tech student, you have a subscription to Skype. Skype for Business. So if you have questions about setting that up, get with IT, download it, put it on your computer. We can actually dialogue face-to-face over the computer. It's kind of weird, but it opens up and we can see each other with our webcams. Or if you're having issues with your system, I can actually look at your screen. So those are options that are available. Also, if you just want to come by and see us face-to-face, we are in Human Sciences 272 upstairs in the big office there. So feel free to come by during our office hours. Check with your course, with your instructor for your specific office hours. Now, if you have any issues with Blackboard, you can click on this link here, and there's support link here at Texas Tech, and then here's the IT help. Again, if you have issues like setting up Skype or any kind of software, go to IT. They're supposed to help you. Okay, financial calculator. This is actually a link that will open a financial calculator. This calculator is very slow. It's cumbersome to use. It's usable. You can use it, but we definitely want you to get the BA 2 plus Texas Instruments calculator, financial calculator. You're going to need that. We're going to do a lot of math in this course, so you'll need it. And that's the calculator that we're going to do all the work on, and I'll train you on, and I'll show you how to use. Okay? The e-textbook is right here. This link here, it's going to take you to your link. You click on that, it'll open up the Pearson textbook for you. Very important, you must buy the access code. If you buy this book used that's been printed, you may or may not get the code. Don't do that. Just buy the code directly from Pearson. It's cheaper that way. I think it's like $104 or something like that. It's going to be your e-access, and then you can pull it up that way. You know, put it on your iPad or your tablet, or put it on your laptop. Whatever you need to do to make it accessible to you so that you can read the book. And then lastly, if you have any personal finance resources, this is like any kind of article, stuff that's going on in industry, ways to learn more about our program, scholarships, stuff like that is in here. So be sure to check that out as well. And like I said before, if you have questions, contact your instructor, come by and see us. We are happy to help you. So thanks again for watching. You have a great day.